In a world inundated with fad diets and conflicting health advice, finding a sustainable approach to nourishing your body and soul can feel like an overwhelming challenge. But what if there was a time-tested way of eating that not only promotes vitality and longevity, but also celebrates the joy of food and community? Introducing Locking the Mediterranean Diet, your ultimate pathway to vibrant health and abundance.
Wow.
Written by renowned food expert and entrepreneur Olubukola Agboola, this groundbreaking book is your comprehensive guide to embracing the time-honored Mediterranean lifestyle. Inside, you'll discover a treasure trove of mouth-watering recipes, expert tips, and evidence-based insights that will revolutionize the way you eat and live. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied readers, who have transformed their lives with the power of the Mediterranean diet, won't stop leaving us a review. Whether you're looking to shed excess weight, boost your energy levels, or simply savor the delicious flavors of the Mediterranean, this book is your ultimate companion on the journey to vibrant health and abundance. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the Mediterranean diet and embark on a journey to lifelong health and happiness? Don't wait another moment. Click the link below to order your copy of Unlocking the Mediterranean Diet today.